Everyone, welcome back to Bless Maths channel. And what we're going to be looking into today is addition and subtraction of negative numbers. So like I said, welcome back to Bless Maths channel. If this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Welcome and welcome to my returning subscribers. So I'm going to start by explaining this. A negative number is a number with a value less than 0. A negative number is a number with a value less than 0. So I'm just going to show you guys a bit explanation of this. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me stop there. So as you can see, I'm going up from 0 to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going up. Those are positive numbers. If I were to be talking about negative numbers, these are negative numbers. Their value is less than 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, their value is higher than 0, but minus 5, minus 4, those are negative numbers and their value are always less than 0. So let's move on to the examples. Evaluate minus 6 minus 12. Before we start, I gave you guys a little note that you guys can write down, which will help you in solving questions. So plus multiplied by minus gives you minus. Minus multiplied by minus gives you plus. And plus multiplied by plus gives you plus. I want you guys to take note of that. And then I'm going to evaluate the questions we have there. That's good. So minus 6 minus 12 is going to give me, so you have minus 6 and you have minus 12. So you are going to add minus 6 and minus 12 together, which is going to give you minus 18. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Let me move on to the next example. 11 plus open brackets minus 10 close brackets. So in this case, this bracket simplifies as multiplication between these two symbols. So plus multiplied by minus gives us minus. So it's going to be 11 minus 10. And 11 minus 10 will give us 1. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. I hope you guys understand what I'm doing. So minus 6 minus 12 will give you minus 18. Because there's nothing here, just minus 6 minus 12. So we are going to add the two negative numbers together. So if I have minus 6, like a person has a debt of £6 and another person has a debt, and the same person has a debt of £12, how much will be the debt in total for the person? £18. That's what it's trying to say here. Minus 6 minus 12. Let me guys understand what I'm saying. Let me give you guys one more example. So this is another example. Minus 14 minus 7. A person has a debt of £14 and the person also has a debt of £7. What will be the person's debt in total? It's going to be minus 14 minus 7. And if you add those two negative numbers together, it's going to be minus 21. And so our answer is going to be minus 21. And if you guys have any question, please don't forget to put your question in the comment section and I'm going to respond to it. Thanks. So this is minus 6 minus 12 gives you minus 18. 11 plus open brackets minus 10 close brackets. This is going to turn to plus multiplied by minus, which says here minus. So it's going to be 11 minus 10 gives you 1. So I have exercise for you guys. So this is the exercise I have for you guys. I'm going to give you guys 3 seconds as always to pause this video and solve this question. But if you guys don't understand the question, you can wait till I solve it and look at it, look at the question, observe the answer, and observe how I worked it out. And then you can watch this video again to gain more understanding on this topic. Thank you. And like I said, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to give you guys 3 seconds to pause this video. 3, 2, 1. So as you're watching this, I believe you are ready to check your answers or maybe you are trying to understand the question because you don't understand it and you're trying to understand the question, so you're waiting for me to work it out, that's also fine. So I'm going to start with question number 1. So 15 minus open brackets minus 11 close brackets. So minus multiplied by minus gives us plus, so it's going to be 15 plus 11, and 15 plus 11 gives us 26. Let me guys understand what I'm saying. 15 minus 11 gives us plus. So minus multiplied by minus gives us plus. So 15 plus 11 gives us 26. Let's move on to the next question. 9 plus open brackets minus 9 close brackets is going to be 9 minus 9. And 9 minus 9 is going to give us 0. Next question. 12 minus 10. So minus multiplied by minus gives us plus, so it's going to be 12 plus 10, so it's going to be 22. 25 plus open brackets minus 18 close bracket. So plus multiplied by minus is going to give us minus, so it's going to be 25 minus 18, which is going to give us 7. Minus 9 minus open brackets minus 33. So minus multiplied by minus gives us plus, so it's going to be minus 9 plus 33. So 33 minus 9 gives us 24, and the answer is going to be 24. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.